This lesson is about a little story called Danger Offshore. Dun dun dun. Well, really, I shouldn't say it's a story. It's actually a movie review about a movie called Danger Offshore. Note that this is a fictional movie. It's not actually a movie that exists. So you'll read the movie review, 4 paragraphs, or remember you can listen to it with text to speech, and then answer the questions. Who is the movie Danger Offshore about? So the movie review tells you who the movie is about. Number 2, how does the reviewer feel about this movie? And how do you know? So you can say like, they said this, they like it, they said this, and tell me what they said. Or they don't like it, they said this, and then quote a line from the text telling me how you know. Sort of like when we underline it, but you're just writing it instead of underlining it. And then number 3 is just a connection to your own life. What movie have you seen that you would give a review of 100% and why? Now, maybe you wouldn't give any movies 100%, so then you could say no movies, and then tell me why you wouldn't give any movies 100%. And if you would give multiple movies 100%, just pick one that you would give 100% to. It's pretty straightforward. Enjoy reading about this fictional movie called Danger Offshore.